What's up with XRP in the XRP community? Now, market cap XRP is at around 77 cents. Again, just consolidating. It seems like we're going to have another leg up, perhaps, right? Because Bitcoin seems to be back on the move. Look at that, 17%, which is pretty crazy. Now, Tim Sweetout looks about right in the number 2 spot. It seems like we're getting XRP more and more often, right? Back on the mainstream news, per se, as we see XRP above Ethereum. Isn't that interesting, huh? If we go to the next one from Johnny Crypto, anyone else see the subliminal programming going on here? I mean, I love it when XRP is the focus, right? Again, look at this. The Fed looking into possible digital US dollar, and look what they show, right? Ripple, all of these logos, XRP. Guys, all the proof is right there. Look at that subliminal programming, to say the least. But now, proof of jumping to system financial advisor, system of value only. Jungle Inca Jerome Powell calling on congressional regulatory frameworks. Crypto. Now listen to this, guys. Again, the Grim Reaper is near.
I just think it underscores the need, really, for congressional action on digital finance, including cryptocurrencies. We have this burgeoning industry which has many parts to it, and there isn't in place the kind of regulatory framework that needs to be there. It was probably no different with railroads or telephones, or ultimately what's needed is a framework, and in particular ways to prevent these unbacked cryptocurrencies from serving as a vehicle for terrorist finance and just general criminal behavior, tax avoidance and the like. So I guess that's what I would say there. I don't really know the extent to which...
Wow, did you guys hear him right there? Again, blaming it on different things to throw out regulations, perhaps, right? Again, it seems like it's coming, guys. We better be prepared. Now, guys, there's the fun part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is called white. Interesting. David Schurzer, and all, as he's seen, it was a typo on seriousness, right? If you go back here, though, look at this, and all see, right, usness, and then look at that. A few connections, which seems like these accounts are interconnected, right, with these other accounts. Now, PRX 64, right, from Mr. Poole, he did tweet this out, which is interesting. If you go down here, there's a lot of connections, actually. 6446 equal Biden 46, right, 46 president, date 2/28/22 equal, which is 16, 8/8, and then checkmate. If we go down here, as well as 4/6, right, 6464. Today was a good day. What a nice day. Interesting stuff. Now, if we go to the next week from XRP, guys, this is absolutely insane if you think about it. Listen very carefully. Look at the connections right here, right? 64, April 15th, 2020, when David Schwartz posted this image right there, where there was one singular green candle that exploded out of nowhere, right? Quote unquote overnight. If we go here, 46 days from today is April 15th, 2022, Friday. Guys, that's absolutely insane if we think about it. Again, remember, XRP loves to pump in April. Another connection we have seen. We might want to look out for these next few months. Alter Vigo suit out 8x8, as we see right there. Again, could it be checkmate, perhaps, right? Look at that, gold. Seems like it, guys. Seems like something is brewing, or it's already the end. Metatron is sweet out Sun in Aries, as we see right here, 46 days, right? Which takes us to, well, we look at that, April 13th, and then April 14th, which ends in there, guys. So, or begins there, right? The end is just the beginning. Cryptomaniac has tweeted out, I'm sorry, but how did Mr. Poole know about all of this 3 months before? Again, so this is how we know there are certain accounts, guys, that are in the know before certain events, narratives take place, right? There's definitely these people that are in the know, which is pretty crazy. And look what they're telling us. They're telling us about quote-unquote XRP, right? Raising to an insane price. So if they know about these other events, they surely know about cryptocurrencies, right? because it's part of the agenda, it's part of the narrative, right? Heading into the new digital era. Now, Guns and XRP Sudo, Rachel Lee, May 21, 2018. Think about, guys, understand one thing about Ripple XRP. There's never going to be a gradual rise to the top. It's going to be an overnight mass adoption so as not to allow the entire world to stock up on XRP. Guys, this brought back my confidence of the quote unquote overnight scenario. It brought it back. It brought my confidence back. Why? Because a lot of people are saying that XRP will rise gradually, but Mr. Poole himself answered that question. It won't. It's going to spike up. Again, I still believe in the overnight scenario, guys. I still believe in it. If we do not have one of those candles right here, a lot of people will stock up on XRP, right? Again, it all makes sense at the end of the day. Ripple Crippler suit out. If I were to guess, March 11th going into the 12th, just speculation on my end. Stay vigilant, control emotions, and stay the course, right? As we see right here. What did he say? March 11th. Look at that. A lot of meanings, guys, here. A lot of dates, because it gets crazy right here. Remember this tweet from Sem13. Week 11 begins March 14th, ends week 33, August 21st, right? So listen very carefully, because we see right here from Blue Sheet from last year, guys, or this was from, like, I don't know, a long time ago, right? We were talking about this. Everything will happen before the 22nd of August. Collapse, regulations, etc. August is your golden month, XRP community. True XRP value, August. Deal with it. Week 11, 2020 started. Week 33, 2021 will end. I want all the moon lovers who can't wait to unfollow me. I don't like the brainwashed money loves being here. I love to tweet facts that trigger them. Only the strong will hold, right? And then XRP will not rise slowly, so stop looking at dumb charts. They're for the brainwashed. XRP will rise in microseconds, from zero to a price that will drop your jaw. Again, another confirmation. We have seen confirmations from all of these riddlers, right? That it's going to take place overnight, guys. Look at that. So it begins very soon. Be prepared. And then, which is then, and it ends then, guys. Wow, interesting dates as we have seen before, right? Possibly settlement takes place around that area, because they tell you, but people won't listen to it, right? Almighty Shade is sweet out. Look at this. So we see, which is storm, right? Pisces, age of Pisces, and then world entered the storm 2/23/2022. The ship is heading into Seoul, August 22 to September 22, right? Which correlates with this right here, as we see right there. If we go down here, the BG123 ship picture is a depiction of the astrological calendar. The sun is currently passing through the house of Pisces. We will begin the astrological new year in the house of Aries on March 21st, 2022. Wow. Again, seems like this is the timeline, guys, right? Which Baba Cooks did state, guys, in front of our eyes. So again, these people do tell us when it will take place, right? But people just need to have the eyes to really see through. Now, Seymour Sweetout 327. Do you think the SEC versus XRP lawsuit will come to an end soon? If you do, what do you think the outcome will be? 327. Interesting, right? Again, March 27th, gold hex code, right? A lot of interesting connections, to say the least, guys. Cryptonologist Sweetout, New World Order from west to east, right? Seems like it's going to take place by things we have seen, right, recently. Again, the world order is turned upside down. Wow, look at that. Interesting, crazy stuff, guys. Crazy stuff. Now, the fountain for Tezero comes from Baba Cooks. As we see right here, the Federal Reserve calling for regs. First time in 12 years, 1 month before timeline, right? Interesting timing. Again, guys, look at that. So, it seems like everything is following the so-called timeline, right? Everything is. And it seems like this year is the year for Moon, in my humble opinion, guys. I'm thinking Q3, Q4, around that area, which I've said multiple times before, right? Oh, by the way, guys, look at that. This picture, right? 9, which is September, which is complete. Again, it all points to that date, guys, to say the least. Say goodbye right there, because he'll probably leave when XRP does moon, like many other people in the community. But anyways, that's all for you guys. Enjoyed this video. If you guys please have a like, subscribe, have an amazing day, and guys, see ya.